tour, so he's flying into town so we can sit down and meet face to face. Part of me is anxious, part of me is ambivalent, part of me wants to give him a big hug, part of me wants to punch him in the face, and I cannot decide which of the four is the strongest emotion. Hey, John. Hi.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. How are you?
It's long overdue for us to sit down and talk in person about this life-changing event that's about to happen to both of us. Glad that we're able to sit and talk now. When you first thought, I was a little skeptical. I wasn't really sure what to think.
Me here.
How am I gonna be?
Yeah, I mean, tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, we'll be safe.
So you're gonna be back before, say before, and then.
Yeah, of course. That's like one of the main reasons why I want to talk to you. That's something I want to do. Like, I want to be her father. I want to be, when she gets older, that's my daddy. Yes, it's hard.
Man, I appreciate that, but I do want to know, like, what changed? Like, what made you?
It was just like, I just had to man up. And like, that's basically what it is. Like, you know, accept her and work and